Now that your turkey has defrosted in the Hisense refrigerator and ready to roast in the Hisense oven range, we can begin our journey to a delicious Thanksgiving meal. If your turkey is not defrosted yet, look at the packaging for further instructions. Now, let's roast a juicy turkey in a Hisense Freestanding Electric Range with fast preheating technology. Here's a list of things you'll need to season the turkey. Add 2 sticks of butter and 3 crushed garlic cloves into a mixing bowl. You can purchase a turkey rub or turkey seasoning at the grocery store, but it's always best to just make your own. I'm adding some minced sage, basil, rosemary, thyme, and parsley into the bowl. Be liberal with the amount. There's no right or wrong method. It's all up to taste. I'm using a silicone spatula to help combine all the ingredients. Once thoroughly mixed, add salt and pepper and mix it all up again. To stuff the turkey with some additional flavor while keeping it moist, cut 1 medium-sized onion, carrot, and 2 celery stalks into large pieces and place it in the bird. Now start adding the seasoning all over the turkey. I like to use gloves so I can get into the nooks and crannies. Take some of the seasoning and place it underneath the skin. Hold down the skin's edge and with your hand or the spatula, smooth out the seasoning throughout. This will help it from drying out. Okay, now it's time to head over to the Hisense Freestanding Electric Range and select the bake button. The temperature will already be set for 350 and press start. But as always, set the temperature based on the weight of your turkey. Now, I know what you're thinking, we didn't preheat the oven? No need, because it takes less than 6 minutes for this Hisense range to reach 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I wish ordering takeout was this fast.
Aw, geez, Lindsay, give a fella a break, will ya?
Before you place the turkey back in the roasting pan, remove the rack. Cut up another onion, carrot, and celery stalk and place it in the pan first. Reinsert the rack and then place the turkey in. Roasting vegetables under the turkey helps reduce smoke and retain moisture, resulting in a more tender meat. We recommend placing the rack at the bottom of the oven so you can use the remaining space for other casserole dishes, grilled vegetables, and pumpkin pies. Cooking the turkey. Hisense recommends 13 to 15 minutes per pound when cooking. For example, if your turkey weighs 15 pounds, set the cooking time for 3 hours and 30 minutes. But for me, I will set the cooking time for 4 hours since our bird weighs almost 20 pounds. Next, press the cook time button. You can then either press the arrow buttons repeatedly to select your desired cooking time, or you can manually enter it using the number pad. When all is set, press start. It's been 4 hours and I'm going to uncover the foil and let sit in the oven to cook for another 30 minutes. Time's up, so let's check the internal temperature using a thermometer which you can pick up at your local big box grocery store. Place the thermometer in the thickest part of the turkey, which is the chest. It should reach 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the turkey from the oven and let it rest for 45 to 60 minutes before carving and serving. Give yourself a round of applause for making it to the end and following along with me on this magical journey using your Hisense range. Hisense, a better way to cook.